Buenos dias. We are looking at how to say head, the translation of the word head, as in the part of, that's on top of your body. In Spanish, we're going to be looking at how to pronounce more essential Spanish vocabulary as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing this? In Spanish, it is said as cabeza, cabeza. The letter Z or Z in Spanish is said a little bit like TH in English, with your tongue between your teeth. Cabeza is how to say head in Spanish. Pretty straightforward once you know cabeza. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Spanish words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.